Hi, welcome to today's Fix and Modify Golf Carts video. Today we're going to be installing a lithium battery into a golf cart. We're going to be replacing the lead acid batteries and putting this in. So we're going to start with unboxing. We just got this battery and we're going to check it out. That's a thick box. Right, there's your instruction manual. Look at that, nice. Okay. Nice thing about this battery is it comes with the accessories you need to do a nice install. The cable, this you're going to need to run from your battery up to the front of your golf cart, or I guess you can put it wherever you want on your golf cart, but this goes to the display screen. I'm not sure if that's touch screen. We'll find out when we put that in. Bunch of bolts to bolt it down with, battery covers. I think this is going to be a pretty easy install. This comes with a battery charger. That's pretty cool. AC plug for it. There you go. Yeah, you got your readout screen, you got a charger and a battery. Plug and play for sure. All right, we're gonna lift this battery out, put it up on here. We're actually gonna open it up, see how it looks on the inside. I like these lift handles. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice. Well, let's open that up. It's like a good quality seal on there. It all looks good to me, all good and solid. Nice build quality right here. You get a real good close-up of what's in there. Does feel good, and it's all packed in there. I think everything's tied down real well. It's good for a nice bumpy ride down the road. All right, we'll close this up. Okay, so we're gonna talk a little bit about the specs on this thing. This is a 4,000 cycles, 105 amp hour capacity, 200 amps continuous. This bad boy, 400 amps for 35 seconds. Can you believe that? This one, 600 amps for 3 seconds. So I think we're gonna have plenty of power. This thing's just gonna be awesome. So this is a really high rating for a continuous run. To give you an example, these server rack batteries here, they're 100 amp continuous run. So with the two of them, you got 200 amp continuous. So this has the same continuous rating as two server rack batteries. I think for the money, it's a great value. I was looking on the website of Dynamic Carts, and their lithium battery was over twice the money. You've got your instructions, read those before you get started. You've also got your QR code for the app for your phone. So you can download that. Here's your before installation. You need to take your monitor here and plug it in. There it is. You can tighten that up. That plugs into your battery, plugs into your monitor. That's got a watertight seal. Nice. Let's turn the battery on. Oh, look at that little Bluetooth antenna. Looks like some good solid output leads. All right, there we go. So we turn this on. There, we're at 48% charge on there. There's your voltage, temperature on your battery. Okay, so it's gonna tell you your current, everything. Cool. Okay, yeah, it is touch screen. Your max temperature. See, there's your capacity, 105 amp hours. There's you get your voltage for each cell. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're checking the battery. We're going through, making sure everything's good and normal on it. Everything checks out good, which means this battery can get installed.